Hello everyone, it's Dimension 2607 speaking, and I'm gonna show my custom Timothy the Ghost engine. Let's start. Here we have my custom Timothy the Ghost engine trackmaster. It's made from a trackmaster 2 Thomas. The wheelbases are from a trackmaster James, I believe, and I gave him also Tommy wheels, as you can see. Those are Tommy wheels. And also spray painted him. Looks kinda ugly, but it's not really that noticeable. And the back details are pretty good. I feel like I did a pretty good job on this engine. Except that for the lining, and this side is kinda messed up than the other side. That's the face. Looks ugly, but I like the teeth I did. But it's ugly, but it isn't that bad. And also gave him a new motor, so he's fast AF. And another thing I did is that I gave him a red LED. You know, since he's a good character, I thought he's a bad, evil character. I thought it would be a good idea to give him a red LED. Yeah. I like how I did the cap windows here. And I'm proud of this model, but there are still some things I want to fix about it. Like there are still some parts that you can see blue from a Thomas I used. See? Wait, yeah, well, let's give him a test run. My other bed is a mess. Alright, he's on track. Let's give him a run. Shoot, what happened? Oh, I see what happened. I'll be right back. Sorry about what just happened. I don't know really what happened. But let's continue the test run. No. Come back. The LED does work. So, yeah. That's Timothy the Ghost engine. Which I heard that some people say that he is Thomas's brother. Which I'm not really sure about that. But, I don't know. Might be true, but we don't know yet. So yeah, that's the custom Timothy. Put him here right beside Thomas. Bye.